Hi guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim. Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you are all guys are good and very happy. And thank you so much for your love and support, guys. So we are back with latest blouse designs, and these designs we are making every work is a different way, and always try to do something new. Okay, so now we are making blouse designs paper, and when you start to making blouse designs paper, first of all you need to making your blouse designs size on tracing paper, like how much sleeves length you want and how much back neck deep you want. Okay, so now we are start to printing on the sleeves with the liquid form is a making with some dry chalk and petrol. You can mix it both for a minute, then you see it, this is a liquid and it's very good for printing, because when printing is a dry you can see every work looking visible, and also it's a very easy for doing. Okay, so you can rub it for a minute, because if your design is a very heavy, so you need to rub it for a minute. Okay, and then you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for dry, then you can see it every blouse designs picture visible. Okay, so now we are start to stitching on the back, and first of all we are stitching with the do tar needle and stitching some piping dory for blue color resham load. Okay, when we are stitching resham load, first we need to stitching some piping dory, because if you are not stitching inside the load piping dory, so your load is not looking good. Okay, and I am also try to do some new work. I'll show you on the next phase. Okay, so first of all we are stitching some different type of ketchup work on the middle of the parrot. Okay, this is a parrot, not a peacock. And maggam work, like blouse designs have only three type of animal, like one elephant, one peacock, or one parrot. Okay, these three animals are birds are very popular in blouse designs in here Telangana or south side. Okay, so now we are start to stitching outline inside the back neck. Okay, and you can see it, resham load is a little bit complete but not full, and I'll show you on the sleeves. So when we are start to stitching resham load on the sleeves, I'll show you. Okay, and when you need to stitching some thread work, you also need do tar needle. This is a do tar needle, and this is a very good needle and also ready to use needle. If you want to buy that type of needle, please do WhatsApp. I'll show you the number on the screen. And if you also want to join my online classes and you don't have time to join offline classes, so please WhatsApp me. I will take online classes. My class fees is a very cheap, 2500 rupees. You can comparison in a market. This is a best price, and also we are teaching you is the best quality of work under 1 month. Okay, and we are taking online classes on Instagram private account, timing 10 to 11. Every class is a 1 hour and daily live classes. Okay, so if you are interested, please do WhatsApp. Okay, and guys, I will do any mistake between to my explanations, so please forgive me, because my English is not better. But I know, guys, lots of peoples have a problem with my Hindi, does not understand, so that's why I will try to explain my work in English. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some flowers on the leaf with the white moti. This is a not a full white, this is a half white moti with the sugar beads. Okay, you can see it, one moti drop with some gap between both motis. Okay, and also look at this parrot, it's looking very beautiful. And I also show you the different type of work on the top of the sleeves, and we are also using some Mortin. And now you can see the Mortin work on the first time on my YouTube channel. I hope you like it. Okay, I'll show you in the next step. First we need to filling like one sugar beads, one 3 number moti, then we are start to stitching. Okay, look at this, and this is a different needle, guys. Okay, also remember, when you need to stitching do tar, when you need to stitching some thread work, you need do tar needle. When you need to stitching like this type of zardozi, you also need 8 number needle, wooden or iron, doesn't matter. Okay, also remember. And needle, I'll suggest you guys, if you are new and you are a beginner, so you don't need to use that type of needle because this is a very soft and very sharp needle. So I will suggest you used iron needle first 1 or 2 months, then you learn some work, and then you start to stitching with that type of needle. Okay, first we are sticking some kundans and leave for a minute, like 5 to 10 minutes for dry. Okay, and now we are start to stitching some extra hangings with the 7 number needle. And that type of work have a 2 option for stitching, like one is a hand needle. You seen my all of lots of video, we are stitching that type of work with the hand needle. Okay, and if you are a pro level worker, like you have experience like 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 years of experience of Aari work, so you can stitching like this easily. It's very easy for him because this worker has a maximum 10 to 15 years experience. It's a matter, 10 years is a lot of time, and it's a very experienced worker. And this is a Jishan bhai, and they have lots of experience about Aari work. And these all guys are not like worker, this is all my family, and they also make me proud about my work quality. And thank you so much for this. So now we are start to sticking some kundans. First we are dropping some fabricryl, and this is a very high quality fabricryl, this is not a normal quality fabricryls. So if your fabricryl is not good, so your work not looking good. Okay, so now we are start to cut work with the Mortin. Okay, you can see it, we also done some work, we also do some cut work already. And now I'll show you, look at this, this is a Mortin, normal Mortin. Okay, so you can make it same as it is. Say it first, you are start first you need to stitching some 3 to 4 times of thread all around the leaf, then you can cut with the Mortin easily. It's a very easy, but it's risky. You don't need to do directly, first you need to learn, then you need to start that type of work. Okay, I hope you like it, and you also see that type of work on the first time in my channel. So this is a final back neck, and back neck has not too much work, but it's a beautiful border on the back neck, you can see it. And this is a full hand work, not any computer work, and made with my great workers or family members. And see, this is a front neck. Okay, and this is a final sleeves look at this. And when this blouse designs done with the stitching, I'll show you picture on my Instagram. So if you are not follow me on Instagram, so please go and follow me, because we are making lots of reel on Instagram. And if you want to make that type of blouse design, so please you can WhatsApp me 9347602055, and you can also visit my website, link in the description box. And if you want to join my online classes, so please do WhatsApp 7565906171. So please tell me guys, how was the design and how was my work quality, and if I'll do any mistake between my explanation, please forgive me guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.